Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the smart split in your device Vivo Y55 and Y55 5G. So if in this device you want to use the feature of the smart split, or if you want to enable the smart split, you can easily do this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the smart split in your device. Let's watch the video.